Hello and welcome. We are going to discuss questions on world geography today. This question was related to origin and evolution of Earth, and this question came in 2017. The question is, the terms event horizon, singularity, string theory, and standard model are sometimes seen in news in the context of. So to solve this question, let's first look into the basic definitions of these terms. So first, event horizon. Event horizon is basically the spherical outer boundary of a black hole. Now we have to understand why UPSC asked this question. Because in 2015, gravitational waves were recorded these gravitational waves originated because of the interaction between two black holes. Einstein predicted this in 1916 that because of interaction of black holes there can be gravitational waves, and in 2015 the first gravitational waves was recorded by LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Observatory. So all these terms, event horizon and singularity, are related to gravitational waves or black holes. So event horizon is basically spherical outer boundary of the black hole. What happens here is, at this point, the gravitational influence becomes so great that not even light escapes the black hole. Okay, so basically the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. So this is basically event horizon. In singularity, the regions of space where the density becomes so great, the density of the matters becomes so great that the space-time boundary becomes infinite, or everything becomes crumbled in one space. So that is basically singularity. Now let us look at this diagram. Basically here at this black hole, the space-time boundary becomes, or the density becomes infinite, and the space-time boundary is absent. Here near event horizon, light cannot escape. We have often heard that from black hole, even light cannot escape. Now, string theory and standard model. String theory is basically that unites both the aspects of general relativity as well as quantum mechanics. In quantum mechanics, we look into the quantum physics of the matter. So both general relativity as well as quantum mechanics are dealt in string theory. Whereas standard model of fundamental particles, in standard model what we study is four forces, that is electromagnetism, weak nuclear forces, strong nuclear forces, plus gravity. Weak nuclear forces are basically when protons are converted into neutrons, so that is basically when conversion is happening because of beta jump, that is weak nuclear force. Whereas in strong nuclear force, the interaction between protons and neutrons are held together. Whereas here conversion is happening in weak nuclear forces. And electromagnetism deals with electric field as well as magnetic field of the particles and the waves generated by it. So if we look into the question again, the terms event horizon, singularity, string theory and standard models are related to observation and understanding of the universe. This is the correct answer because of the observation of black hole.